Welcome to Study Vlogs once again. This is the part 2. In the part 1 we have discussed up to 6th question. Now we are getting into the 7th question. Okay, let's see 7th question. The 7th question they are asked is, in a magic square, each row, column and diagonal have the same sum. So, if this is a magic square, the sum of these rows and diagonals and columns should be equal. See, like this. Now we will check it. Is it a magic square or not? Now first we'll get into the rows. What are the rows? 5 plus of rows are horizontal lines and columns are vertical lines. Now rows, 5 plus of minus 1 plus of minus 4. Minus 1 plus of minus 4 is minus 5. So 5 plus of minus 5 is equals to 5 minus 5 is equals to 0. And second row, minus 5 plus of minus 2 plus 7 is equals to 0. Here minus 5 plus of minus 2 is equals to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 7 is equals to 0. Here in third row, 0 plus 3 plus of minus 3. Plus of minus is equals to minus, 3 minus 3 is equals to 0. 0 plus 0 is equals to 0. Now columns, the vertical lines. So 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0. 5 plus of minus 5 plus 0 is equals to 5 plus of minus 5 means minus into plus minus. So 5 minus 5 is equal to 0. Answer is 0. And same for these. Same for these columns. Minus 1 plus of minus 2 plus 3 is equals to 0. Minus 4 plus 7 plus of minus 3 is equals to 0. So the rows and columns having same. But we have to check the diagonals also. Diagonals are cross lines. In a square we have these are sides and these are diagonals, right? So this is a type of square. So then diagonals, 5 plus of 5 minus 2 minus 3. So 5 plus of minus 2 plus of minus 3 is equals to 0. And here minus 4 plus of minus 2 plus 0. Here minus 4 plus of minus 2 is equals to minus 4 minus minus 2. Means minus into minus is equals to plus. So minus 6 plus 0 is equals to minus 6. So this is not a magic square because here rows having the value 0 and the columns having the same value 0. But the diagonals, the second diagonal is not having the same value. If all these values are 0, then it is called as a magic square. We have to do this sum, the second one also, same procedure. Now we will see the 8th question. Okay, we have completed the 7th question, right? Now we will get into the 8th question. 8th question is nothing but verify a minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. They are given the a value and the b value. They are given both the values. We have to just do one thing, that is we have to substitute these values. So we are substitute means a minus of minus b is equals to a plus b. So here a is 21. Replace in the place of a. So 21 minus of minus 18. B value they are given 18. So here minus b there. So we have to apply the minus value for 18 also. So 21 plus 18. Here a plus b and the RHS also they are given, and the LHS they have just changed they have extended this value. So 21 plus 18 is equals to 21 plus 18. 39 is equals to 39. So LHS is equals to RHS. Further sums also we should do in the same way. If they are given any number, it could be negative or positive, the answer will be LHS is equals to RHS. So we have completed the 8th question. We will get into the 9th question. So we completed the 8th question. Now let's get into the 9th question. So let's see what is 9th question. So greater than and less than. This 9th question is nothing but we have to say which is greater in these both. So we solve it. Minus 8 plus of minus 4. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 8 minus 12. Here if we add and subtract means we will get the value minus 4. See, already I said in the previous video that in the negative values, the lowest number with the negative value has the highest value, and the highest number with the negative value has the lowest value. So here minus 4 is greater than minus 1. The same procedure B also. Minus 3 plus 7 minus of 19 is greater than or less than or equal to 15 minus 8 plus of minus 8. So we have simplify means minus 14 minus 2. So here also minus 2 is less number with negative value has the highest value. So minus 2 is greater than minus 14. So every sum we should do in this procedure. So we have completed the 9th question. Now let's get into the 10th question. Okay, we have completed the 9th question also. Now we'll see what is 10th question. A water tank has 4 steps inside it. A monkey is sitting on the topmost step. The water level is at the 9th step. The monkey is sitting on the first step and the water level is at the 9th step. In this, the case 1 is he jumps 3 steps down and jumps 2 steps back. In how many jumps? It will reach the water level. This is a very tricky question and it's a beautiful question. And in the first jump, so what they are given, it's jump down means it should reach the 9th step, right? In how many steps? It will be reaching the 9th step they are asking. So first jump is equals to 1 plus 3 means first step from 2 3 steps, so 4 steps. Again it jumps 2 steps backwards, so 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. Backwards means minus, right? So 4 minus 2 is equals to 2. In the third step again 2 plus 3 means it's frequently 3 steps down and 2 steps back, so 2 plus 3 is equals to 5. In the fourth, 5 minus 2 is equals to 3. Again in the same procedure, if we will do from 3 to up to 6th step means it will go straight. This value we should minus from 2, so 6 minus 2 is equals to 4 means 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Again 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 8 minus 2 is equals to 6. 6 plus 3 is equals to 9. In 12 steps it will reach the 9th step means it will reach the water level. So we have completed the case 1 and next we will see case 2. So we have completed the 9th question and we have completed the in the 10th one, first one, and this is second one. And the second one is it has drunk the water. Now it should come back to the first step. In how many steps it will come to the first is the second question. So in the first jump means for this he jumps 4 steps up and then jumps back 2 steps down in every move. Now in the first jump he is from 9th step to the first step, right? So we have to 9 minus 4 is equals to 5. Okay. In the second jump 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. In the third one 7 minus 4 is equals to 3. In the fourth one 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. In the fifth jump 5 minus 4 is equals to 1. So he reaches the first step in 1 2 3 4 5. In 5 steps he will reach the first one. In 5 jumps he will reach the first step. So here minus 4 why I have written means it's decreasing the step 9 to step 5, right? It's minus 4. So that's why I have written minus 4. Okay, we have completed the 10th one, second one also. We will get into the third one. So let's see the third one. If the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integer and the number of steps moved up by positive integers, represent his moves part 1 and part 2 by completing the following. A, minus 3 plus 2 minus up to so on is equals to minus 8. In the B case, minus 4 minus 2 plus up to so on is equals to 8. In A, the sum minus 8 represents going down by 8 steps. So what will the sum 8 in B represent? So they are asking the cases from 1 and 2. So they are given that from the question, if the number of steps moved down is represented by negative integers and the number of steps moved by up is represented by positive integers. So let's see the part 1 in the case 1 question. Monkey moves in part 1, right? 3 steps front and again 2 steps back. So that one. So minus 3 plus 2 up to so on is equals to minus 8. So LHS is minus 3 plus 2 up to so on minus 8. So if we add and subtract, what from how much we can equalize the LHS and this RHS. So minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2, minus 3 plus 2. So let's take the minus values together and plus values together. So minus 3, minus 3, minus 9, minus 9, minus 3, minus 12, minus 12, minus 3, minus 15, minus 18, minus 18. Now 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 up to 5 2 means 10. So minus 18 plus 10 is here minus into plus minus. So answer is minus 8. So this is it part 1. If we add these 5 minus 3 plus 2 and 1 minus 3 means we'll get the value of minus 8. So let's see the monkey moves in part 2. So let's see monkey moves in part 2. In the part 2 they gave that it goes from bottom to top, right? So bottom to top it goes first 4 steps and again minus 2 steps. So 4 minus 2 plus again 4 minus 2. So the answer should be 8. So LHS we will write as 4 minus 2 plus 4 minus 2 plus 4. So here 4 plus 4 plus 4 is equals to 12. Minus 2 plus of minus 2 is minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is equals to 8. We got the RHS 8. So RHS are equal. So moves in part 2 represents monkey is going up. I already said in 8 steps because it is represented by positive integer. In the question itself they are given as moves to downwards is represented by negative numbers and moves to upwards is represented by positive numbers. So it's going upwards means it is positive numbers. So we have completed the exercise 1.1. I hope you understand the 1.1 part 1 and part 2. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.